Hello, real estate owners. If you own a home and you live in an area like we do in Minnesota, where we have 4 seasons and summer has just come around, there are some tips that you need to know to best prepare your home to operate as efficiently as possible for the summer. So today I'm going to share 6 tips with you to help you be prepared for the heat, the sunshine, and the beautiful summer weather. The first thing you need to know, as all of us will find very important, is your cooling system maintenance. So make sure to get your AC checked by an HVAC technician. Make sure it's firing on all cylinders and that your home is able to efficiently cool, especially when the temperatures start to heat up in the middle of the summer. Secondly, make sure your outdoor areas are prepared. Getting your patio furniture out, your deck furniture out, maybe power washing that driveway you haven't power washed in 3 or 4 years are very important things to make sure your home shines and that it lasts in its condition for years to come. Third, and this is only for those fortunate ones with pools and water features, but make sure that they're working. Make sure your pumps are all good if you have maybe a koi pond with a water feature. And if you have a pool, obviously have your pool company come out, get everything tuned up for the year so you can enjoy it with all your friends, family, and neighbors. 4, pest control. This is a common thing that happens throughout the summer. Pests are gonna try to get inside to get out of the sweltering heat. And if you followed my first tip, your house is gonna be a perfect spot for them to try to go because it's gonna be cool and crisp inside. So make sure if you're having pest issues that you cover up any gaps on the outside of your home. And if you're open to it, have a pest company come out, maybe spray for certain kinds of pests that you're struggling with. Number 5, outdoor lighting checks. So in the winter, when no one goes outside, sometimes the front elevation of your house, maybe the exterior lights that you have on a soffit or porch or front door don't matter as much. But if you want your home to shine throughout the summer, as your neighbors walk by and people come over, make sure you check that all your electrical systems are working properly, all your outdoor lights, landscape lights are working as intended. And 6, this is applicable all year, but especially in the winter, make sure your home is energy efficient. So that includes things like making sure your blinds are blocking out as much sun as you can so your AC doesn't have to overwork, or anything else in your home, like your air conditioning unit, is all properly working and they're as efficient as possible. Your bill for your electrical can go up a lot, at least here in Minnesota in the summer, if your AC runs too much. So make sure you have things, even the little things like energy efficient thermostat that knows when you're home and is able to optimize when things are cooling and not cooling. Thanks for checking out this video about summer maintenance. If you found it helpful, throw us a like or ask us a question or comment. Maybe there's some things that you do in your home throughout the summer to make sure that it works as well as it possibly can. We'd love to hear your maintenance tips. I'm AJ Pedersen, team leader of the Advisor Realty Group at eXp Realty. On this channel, you're gonna learn everything you need to know about the Minneapolis-St. Paul area. If you like our content, tap the bell, subscribe to our channel. We'd love to interact with you.